Let's see if we could find something good here at a Nike outlet. What's up everyone? Welcome to the channel. Jane Olasco here. And if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And today we're going again to the Nike outlet store. So let's check them out. What do they have to offer this nice weekend? So I hope we could find something good, something new, and something interesting. So with further ado, let's go. Check this out. So what you see now, we got an Air Jordan 4 retro in here, 139 on this one. Not bad for this. So as you can see, we got the Air Jordan retro 4 retro, and the colorway is white and red something, and retail is $190 and they're selling it for $139. Not bad for the price. I like it. So also another Jordan for $59.97 with the additional 20% and colorway with white and black and yellow. Nice price. You can't go wrong on that one. And another one, Jordan retro, $59.97 and also with additional 20%. Nice one. I like the color, I like the design. Price point, not bad. Another Jordan retro for $64.97 with the additional 20. Wow, nice and clean with the number 23 on the back with the Jumpman, like also Jumpman on the bottom, the sole. So what do you think with this Jordan 312 selling for $69.97 with the additional 20, colorway the black and white with the white cement. Nice colorway, simple with a Jumpman on the back. And another 312 $69.97 with additional 20. We got the gray, mostly gray with the white cement. Just the basic 312 with a Jumpman on the back, and $69.97 with a 20% off. And also we got another Jordan $99.97 with 20%. Nice colorway. We got a KD $109.99. They had a lot of going on this one, but the colorway is nice and it's a nice basketball shoe. So how about a Lebron for $119? Oopsie, but triple black, nice color though. You can't go wrong on a triple black basketball shoes. Another Jordan $69.97 with the 20% Jumpman on this side, and wow, nice color, black and blue and pink. If you like it, probably, but The price $69.99 with 20%. Wow, we got a $44.97 with additional 20 with a Hirachi blue and green bold colorway. A nice, very comfortable shoes, and the price is nice also. We got another one, $99.97 with the 270. There's a lot of color going on this one. Oh wow, nice color though, but the price, I'm gonna still wait if they drop a little bit more. Wow, this one is one of the hype of the year, or probably last year. I can't go around on the price on this one. Everyone is hyped to it, but I can't find my size. 109 with the 20. Well, $69.97 with that 20% on this Air Max. Wow. The colorway is black and gray with a simple one, but I like the color, and the price $69.97. And this one also is same, but they had a different colorway. It has more white something going on with the black and everything. $69.97 and additional 20. Well, $49.97, 20% off with this Hirachi something. But color, wow. No, whoa. I'll pass for now. Let's check out on the women's section. We got $69.97 for this Air Max. Nice colorway though, white and green or dark green. $69.97 with additional 20. Not bad for the price. And Air Max 1. Wow, $49.97 with 20% on this running shoes. Wow, look, colorway. It is meant to be for women's though. For $49.97, 20% off. Wow, this one, another color poppin', $99.90. For the 270. Is it the 270? $720. But hey, $99.99 for this one. Not bad. Another $99.99. Wow. Color, wow, really nice for women though. Well, how about $89.97 with 20 for this 270 trail shoes, some kind with yellow and violet. $89.97. We got $99.97 for this Air Max. Wow, lot of color going on this one. Well, I'm gonna pass for 99 with 20. Well, this one is a better, $69.97 with the Air Max TN with black and blue all around. 69 with 20. How about $39.97 for a basketball shoes with additional 20%? Well, you can't go wrong for this cheap basketball shoes. If you need one, well, it is a good one though. And we are home, and as you can see, we got all the way back of the Nike bags. Also here, right here in the back of the chair. And almost filled all the way back. Also, went and grabbed also some basic necessities like some tissues, paper towels, and some laundry pads or laundry detergent. And there you go. So this is what I started with this savings. Started with couponing. And so I hope you like this vlog today, and I hope you enjoy the deals that we could find in the Nike outlet. And let me know, leave down a comment down below if you want me to unbox or the one that I got in the outlet today. So just leave a comment down below what you think, or what do you think about this vlog today. And also please leave a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified for the next upcoming video. And that will be all on this video. Hope you enjoy watching. I'll see you in next video. Peace.